Do you need to hire a fantastic tech today? Of course you do. Drive knows it's not easy, but Drive can help you put the right actions in place to attract a great team. Where do you start? With the DriveShops Business Analysis. This comprehensive analysis will show you the current status of all areas of your shop, including marketing, training, profit and loss, and yes, what you need to do to get that great crew member on board today. And after the SBA diagnostic results are in, you will have the knowledge to do just that. You'll learn that hiring should never stop, and you'll learn how a well-run business will attract talented employees. Listen as one of Drive's shop owners talks about how following the hiring practices and recommended actions of Drive has resulted in a stable and talented crew.
It's not just a one and done sort of process with hiring, and Drive definitely taught me that. You've got to use all the avenues, but if you take action, it works.
We can't wait to continue the conversation. Reach out today or click on the link below to get in touch right away. Drive, celebrating 30 years of helping shop owners.